Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video will be learn about in the list and uses of the emergency medication that can be maintained in the crash card in the hospital worldwide. These crash cards are maintained for the emergency affecting the patient and which are the experimentally important for the critical patient ICU patient. The choice of drugs may be different from hospital to hospital and will be slowly depend on in the critical care in charge or to other medical officer of the hospital. Adrenaline injection. Adrenaline is the main drug used in the event of the cardiac arrest. If relief reflective shock, it can also be used to control the superficial bleeding. It may also be useful for asthma to other treatment are not effective. Second, injection atropine. Injection atropine is used to treat the bradycardia. It can also be antidote for the organophosphate poisoning and it also decrease product of saliva. Noradrenaline injection. Noradrenaline is used to increase the heart rate and used to treat the critical low blood pressure. Injection calcium gluconate is used to treat the hypoglycemia, hyperglycemia and magnesium toxicity. Injection soda bicarbonate. Injection soda bicarbonate is primarily used to treat the severe metabolic acidosis. Generally, if the pH is below 7.1, it is also used to treat high blood potassium that is hyperglycemia. It can also be used as in the antidotes for terrorist like antidepressant overdose and the cocaine toxicity as well as to other poisonings. Amintron, it is the antiarrhythmic medication. It is used to treat and or in the prevent the number of the irregular heartbeats. It is used to include the ventricular tachycardia, ventricular fibrillation and wide complex tachycardia. It is also used to treat arterial fibrillation and progressive supraventricular tachycardia. Dextrose and sometimes D25-50% dextrose is used to treat the hyperglycemia. It is also used to treat the hyperglycemia that is high blood potassium and diabetic and ketoacidosis. Nitroglycerin is used to decrease the accelerated hypertension. It is also used to decrease chest pain that is the angina pectoris. Next injection, succinylcholine is used to induce the short-term paralysis which will be facilitated tachycardia intuition in case of the emergency. Next injection, dopamine. Injection dopamine is a drug which is used to treat the severe low blood pressure and slow heart rate and in the cardiac arrest. Next injection, dopamine. Injection dopamine is used to treat the heart failure which is caused by the cardiac surgery or the septic or in the cardiogenetic shock, and it can also be used in the congestive heart failure to increase the cardiac output. Less furosemide increase urine output. It is used to treat of the acute and chronic heart failure and to other steps of the fluid overload. It is used to treat of the hypertension and hyperglycemia. Lidocaine. Injection lidocaine is treat irregular heart rhythm. It can be possible heart attack. Injection lidocaine is an antiarrhythmic drugs, local anesthesia. It is used for the treatment for the ventricular arrhythmias that it is for the acute myocardial infarction, cardiovascular or in the cardiac catheterization if my medium is not available for the contraindications. Adenosine. Injection adenosine is used to revert the supraventricular tachycardia. Injection hydrocortisone. Injection hydrocortisone is used to treat the severe allergic reaction. It is used to treat the autoimmune disease such as in the condition of the skin, asthma and to other lung conditions. Buscopan. Injection buscopan is used to treat the critically low blood pressure in adults in shock remain to have the low blood pressure even after receiving fluid and medication in the attempt to increase the blood pressure. Injection midazolam. Injection midazolam is used for in the emergency treatment for the prolonged disease. Injection naloxone. Injection naloxone is used as in the antidote for the opioid overdose. Diazepam. Injection diazepam is used to control the prolonged disease. Injection paracetamol. Injection paracetamol is relieve fever and decrease mild or moderate pain. Ethylosone is used to treat in the severe allergic reaction and in the immune system disorders. Injection heparin. Injection heparin is used to treat in the prevent blood clots. It is used to prevent and treat blood clots in the lungs, legs, including in the patient with arterial fibrillation, and may be used to sudden blood clotting disorders. Aminophylline is indicate for in the relief of the bronchospasm occiput within the asthma and COPD. Injection of Narcan. Injection of Narcan is used for the sedation people. It is also used to reduce nausea, vomiting, and treat severe allergic reactions and blood transfusion reactions. Injection dexamethasone जहाँ डेक्सा भी कहते थे इसको. इंजेक्शन डेक्सा इज यूज टू ट्रीट द सीवियर एलर्जिक रिएक्शंस अस्थमा एंड chronic obstructive lung disease, that is COPD. Injection Darifyline. Injection Darifyline is used to treat the asthma, difficulty in breathing, dizzying, and in the chest tightness. Injection Avel is used to treat the allergic reaction. Injection Diclofenac. Injection Diclofenac is used to management for the pain. Injection Ethamyclate is used to prevent or stop the bleeding. Injection Fluvenazine is used to reverse sedative effective or the servant medication. It may be also be used to treat or relief of use to drug the overdose. Potassium chloride. Injection potassium chloride in KCl is used to treat the hypoglycemia. Injection Dignosin. Injection Dignosin is used to treat the heart failure and irregular heartbeats. Injection PAM. Injection PAM is used as the antidote or organophosphate poisoning. Injection methylphenidramine is used to treat the low blood pressure and hypertension. Next, list of the few emergency drugs used in the ICU. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks again.